Hi, welcome to the For Seller channel. This video will show you how to use listing rules and to listing your Shopify products quickly on For Seller. Now there are 4 entry points for setting listing rules. Entrance 1, Setting Page Listing Setting Button and Click Listing Rule. Entrance 2, Product Scraper Click Push to Store Shows Push Rule Settings. Entrance 3, Listing Migration Page You will find Migration Rule Settings. Entrance 4, Copy to Store Shows Migration Rule Settings. The Listing Rules Settings page. Let me show you how to add listings rules. Click Setting button and choose Listing Setting. Find Listing Rules. Click to Shopify button. Now For Seller support you add product rules, price rules, and inventory and shipping rules. You can, according to your needs, choose the rules you want to set for your products on For Seller. Now let us add the product rules. First, input your rules name. Choose your target store. And if you want to apply for your products accurately, you can select the target categories. You'd better select the child categories and choose the source channel. If you don't choose any channel, it means that this rule will apply to the goods of all channels. Choose the SKU generation rules and add the begin information for your product's title and description, or you can choose to remove or replace some information from your original titles or description. And then to click Save to save your product rules. Now let's set the price rules. Click Add Price Rules. Here you also need to input this price rules name, select your target store, choose the category, and you can input the source weight. We support setting the product weight range as a condition for scaper/migration rules, and then choose the source channel. We support to set the basic pricing rules and the standard pricing rules. If you choose the standard pricing rules, you need to input the price range, but if you choose basic pricing rule, you just need to input the price you want to change. You can also choose Compared at Price button or Sales Price Rounding Rules button, or you can click Save button directly. Finally, let's try how to create the inventory and shipment rules. Add the name, choose the target store, the source channel, then choose target warehouse. You can click the source weight for your products, but if you want to set the fixed weight, you can cancel to click it. Now let's test the listing rules with the scrape products. Enter the scrape page, select a product to push to Shopify. Please note that the selected store needs to be the one you have applied in the rules. Select the Go to Publish button to enter the Shopify draft interface. Here you can see that the Begin field has been added to the product title. We can enter the product detail page to check whether the rules have been applied to other information. Corresponding information has also been added to the details, and the prices of all products have been added. But due to the Shopify publish requirements, you need to modify the price so that can less than the compare at price. You can batch modify it and then click Save and Publish button to publish your listings. The above is the complete video content. If you are interested, welcome to follow our YouTube channel or scan the QR code to enter our WhatsApp group. We will release videos of new features from time to time. Thank you for watching.